Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. As-salatu was-salamu ala rasulihil kareem. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Alhamdulillah, I welcome all of you again today for the new lecture. Alhamdulillah, we'll learn something new today. And really, this is all happening only because of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ihsan and tawfiq. We cannot do anything unless Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not give us any tawfiq. So it is all from the tawfiq of Allah. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. So Alhamdulillah, today we are going to learn something new, as we already started our learning on Jumlatul Ismiya, nominal sentence. In the previous lecture, we used demonstrative nouns as Mubtada. Now, as you know that Jumla Ismiya consists on Mubtada and Khabar. So right now we are only following Mubtada Mufrad and Khabar Mufrad. What does it mean? Our Mubtada is also a single noun and our Khabar is also a single noun, inshallah. So this is the last this is the second last lecture before we will move on and we'll make Mubtada and Khabar with the two different nouns. Two will be in Mubtada, two will be in Khabar, and we'll try to study something new. So today we will use pronouns as Mubtada, and I already explained you pronouns in the beginning lectures. And one thing you have to remember that these pronouns are raf'un condition, because we have pronouns in nasb and jar, they are different. So now you have to keep in mind that what I taught you earlier, pronouns huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antuna, ana, nahnu, these all nouns are raf'un. So it means we have some different nouns also. We will study when the time will come, inshallah. So at that spot, as you all know that pronouns are definite and they are ma'arifa also. This thing you also know already in the lecture of capacity. I already taught you that we have what kind of ma'arifa. Ismu alam, proper noun, we already used as mubtada. Then demonstrative noun, asma'u ishara. And now we are going to use asma'u zama'ir. So pronouns. Today we are going to study asma'u zama'ir as mubtada. So you have a sentence in front of you. He is a Muslim. I actually learned that if we are using a or no, it's okay. In both cases, the sentence is correct in English. So he is a Muslim. In this sentence, he is mubtada and a Muslim is khabrun. Mubtada and khabrun, as we already learned this thing. So he is a Muslim, he is mubtada and Muslim is khabrun. So next step, we have to recall the laws of mubtada and khabar. So we have few things: jins, adad, wus'atun, and i'rabun. So wus'atun and i'rabun are separate for mubtada and khabar, as you are looking in the slide, that mubtada is always ma'rifa and in raf'un condition, and khabar is always nakira and in raf'un condition. Hence, the gender and the numbers, there should be a correlation between mubtada and khabar. So in this case, we'll look at what is our khabar. So our khabar is mudakkar. Muslimun is mudakkar because he is present there. And it is singular, Muslim, singular. So we have wahid. So we have decided about khabar. Now, for the pronouns, we have to choose a pronoun which will represent wahid masculine, singular masculine. So we have to choose from the chart now. This already I explained that Muslimun muzakkar, Muslimun wahid. So now there is a correlation between mubtada and khabar. We have to pick are pronoun. These are rough on pronouns. Huwa, he, huma, they both. Okay. In demonstrative nouns, actually, by mistake, I was using these both. So in pronouns, we should say these two. These two. But in demonstrative noun, asma'u ishara, we have to use these two. But in case of pronouns, we will use they both. They both. Not we'll say they two. It does not goes right. They two. They both. So he is for singular. They both. Huma, whom, they all. But in English, you have some limitations. For Mudakkar and Muannas, okay, you have some separation, but in others, no. In all the others, like in English, you have he, she, they, you, I, and we. So only here in the she, you can segregate that this is for feminine. Other, he, they, you, I, we is common for feminine and masculine. But in Arabic, they all are separate, as you already learned. So we have to choose our singular dhamir. For Mubtada, it is huwa. So for the translation of he is huwa, and for Muslim, we have Arabic Muslimun. Now the translation we achieve, so sentence is huwa Muslimun, Muslimun. Now our sentence is ready. Huwa Muslimun, he is a Muslim. So we'll look in that is this sentence is following its laws. So huwa is Mubtada, Muslim is khabar. Now we have to look that Muslim is what? Khabar is Muzakkar. It's Wahid because Muslim is Wahid noun. Is it Nakira? Because our khabar should be Nakira. Yes, it is Nakira. Is it Ma'rifa? Rafa? Yes, it is Rafa. Now we'll see. So it's mean our khabar, all requirements are completed here. And in huwa we'll see is Mubtada is following its all conditions. So for Mubtada, it is Mudakkar. Huwa, yes. Wahid, yes, it is Wahid. Ma'rifa, yes, pronouns are Ma'rifa. Is it Rafun condition? Yes, it is Rafun condition because still you know that these are the rough pronouns because others are different. Inshallah, we'll study later. So our sentence is ready. Huwa Muslimun. Now, very simple. Only you have to replace Mubtada. You learned in demonstrative noun. The same case will apply here. So he is a Muslim. Huwa Muslimun. He is Mubtada, Muslimun khabar. Huwa Muslimun. Huwa Muslimun. They both are Muslims. So for they both, we have pronoun huma. Huma. Now what we have to do? Our khabar is Muslims. So because they both are Muslims, so we have to convert Muslimun into Muslimani to make a correlation between Mubtada and khabar as aspect of gender and numbers. So because in gender and numbers, Mubtada and khabar, there is a strong relation. They both follow each other. So they are Muslims. They are Muslims. Hum Muslimuna. Hum Muslimuna. So as you are now looking that Mubtada and khabar, there is a correlation between what? Gender, gender, numbers, numbers. So she is a Muslim. Hiya Muslimatun. Again, we have to consider strong consideration of gender and number. Gender and number. Strong consideration. They both are Muslims. Huma Muslimatani. Now, if you look in English, they both are Muslims. They both are Muslim. You cannot differentiate. Is it for feminine or masculine? But in Arabic, yes, you can differentiate. Huma Muslimatani. Muslimatani. So here you is Huma Muslimani is masculine. Is for masculine, and Huma Muslimatani is feminine. So subhanallah, Arabic language is very deep. They are Muslims. Hunna Muslimatun. Again, they are Muslims and they are Muslims. You cannot make any difference which is masculine and which is feminine, but in Arabic, yes. Hunna Muslimatun. I am a Muslim, ana Muslimun. So in Arabic, this ana muslimun, if it is masculine, ana muslimun. If it is feminine, ana muslimatun. So you have to look in this, that when you are using I. So you both are, so you are Muslim. Anta muslimun, you both are Muslims. Antuma muslimani, you all are Muslim. Antum muslimuna, you are a Muslim. Anti muslimatun, again you cannot make any differentiate between these both, which is masculine and feminine. But in Arabic, yes, anta muslimun, anti muslimatun. So you both are Muslims. Antuma muslimatani, you all are Muslims. Antunna muslimatun, we are Muslim. Nahnu muslimuna. And if you are going to use feminine, we'll say nahnu muslimatani. So one more thing you have to consider for nahnu is something special. That if we'll say we both are Muslims. So in this case, when it is there both, so what will it say? Nahnu muslimani. When it is specific for both, then we'll use khabar muslimani. So it is ensuring that in nahnu, because nahnu can be for both and for all. So if we'll say nahnu muslimani, it means that the guy who is speaking, mutakallim, he is talking about two. And if he'll say nahnu muslimuna, it means he is talking about more than two. So it is only one in the nahnu. We have to consider this point. So second thing, please consider, now you are sitting in a room, and in front of you, you have many things. You have your maybe brother, your father, mother, or anyone, any human being. So when you will consider these things which are in front of your eyes, so you have to use demonstrative noun, asma'u ishara. When it comes to pronouns, it means anything which is out of your vicinity, out of your outside of your eyesight, will be called as ghaibun. Ghaibun, which is not present. Ghaibun. So even you are sitting in your room, and this room is part of your house. The guy who is sitting in other room, you will use pronouns for that guy, not demonstrative nouns, because demonstrative nouns will only be used when something is in front of your eyes. So this is the difference between zamair and ishara. So ishara will always be, what is ishara? I mean pointing someone. Now you can point only when you are watching or looking at something. So in zamair, but in zamair, remember that from these anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna, ana, nahnu, these cannot be used for ghayru aqilil. Cannot be used. Cannot be used. It is only for human being. So you cannot say some animal that anta himarun. No, it's for human. You can only use. So, but these pronouns, yes, you can use for ghayru akilin, because if some book is in other room and you want to tell your brother something about that book, you can say huwa kitabun, that is a book. So in this case, we not use that. We'll say it. For example, maybe he asked you, my sister, what is that which is on the table or on the bed. So at that condition, you can answer with pronouns, not with demonstrative. Inshallah, in Madinah Arabic book, in the next lecture, we will study these things. So at this condition, you have to follow and focus only on akilun. So what is akil? I will explain again. Akilun, human beings, human, jinn, and angels, all are akilun. Akilun. So All other things are غير عاقل, even animals, things, all are غير عاقل. So another thing for Zamair, I want to teach you that, for example, you have a sentence, Zaidun wa Hamidun tabibani. Tabibani. So as you know, Zaidun wa Hamidun mubtada, tabibani khabar. Tabibani khabar. So if I request you, please use some pronouns in replacement of mubtada, Zaidun and Hamidun. So now you are looking at Zaidun and Hamidun. They are musanna, they are two. So we have to use pronoun in place of that. So pick huma. So what I'll write? Huma tabibani. Tabibani. So whenever we will replace some mubtada with pronouns, we will use only these 6 pronouns. Only these 6 pronouns. Huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna. These will not be used in replacement. Okay. So when we have, if I request you, you have a sentence that Maryamu tabibatun, please replace mubtada with suitable pronouns. So you have to pick hiya tabibatun. She is a doctor. So please keep in mind, there will be some questions in Google, and I will try to let you practice also in our practice session now. So from me, the lecture is completed. You have only to focus what? You have to use today mubtada with pronouns. So you'll use pronouns as mubtada. Inshallah, it will help your learning in practice, inshallah. Just give me a second, I'll open. So you already learned what I taught. So please, what you will do, you will tell me mubtada and khabar, and then you will translate. So please start.
Okay. Start now, sir.
Yeah, Bismillah.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hum muflihun. They all muflihun. Yani
Successful.
Successful. They're successful. Hum is mubtada, muflihun is khabar.
Why you are saying muflihun? What is the problem? Why you are not pronouncing fatha or noon?
Oh, sorry. Muflihuna.
Yes. So hum muflihuna. What is
Hum
the answer?
muflihuna.
Translation?
The translation is they all are successful.
Right. So if I'll request you, please change it to musanna. What you will do?
Huma muflihani.
Good. Excellent. Okay. Next sentence.
Antum khasirun. Antum, you all khasirun, loser.
You all are losers. Antum khasiruna.
You all are losers.
So why it is coming khasiruna? Okay. Why it is not khasirun?
Because khasiruna is a plural. Because the mubtada is antum. Antum mean more than two. Yani
you all.
All of you all.
Okay. Next sentence.
Hum ashabun. They all are companion.
Good. Hum ashabun. Okay. Next sentence.
Nahnu mu'minuna. We are mu'min.
What does it mean?
Mu'min, believer.
We are believers. Okay.
We are believer.
Next.
Anti Anti sahirtum.
Sahiratun.
Sahiratun. Okay. Sahira. What is the meaning of sahir, sir?
Magician.
Magician. Sihir. Okay. Anti you sahiratun magician. Here are feminine.
Okay, good. Okay, miss, next student.
Nas.
Yes, sir.
Jazakallah khair.
Aisha.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Okay. Continue.
Yes. Huwa sahirun. He is a magician.
Excuse me. You are sitting in some noisy place.
Yeah.
Yeah, please
Sorry, sir.
come from noisy place.
Yeah. Huwa sahirun. Huwa sahirun. He is a magician.
Okay, next.
Hiya naqatun.
Okay.
She is a camel. She camel. Naqatun means she camel.
Because I told you, you remember that when Ghairu Aqib will come, we will translate in it.
Okay. It is a she camel.
Yeah, it is a she camel. Okay. Next.
Anta ba'lun. Anta ba'lun. Anta is you are a husband.
Yes. Next sentence.
Umma ukhtanu. Ukhtani. Sorry, ukhtani.
What you read? What you read? Please read again.
Huma ukhtani. Brothers.
Sister. Ukhtun.
Sisters. Okay. I thought akhu. Oh, okay. Sorry.
Try to remember the meaning.
So Huma is yeah, inshallah. You both Huma. You both are sisters.
No, excuse me.
Huma. They both.
Yeah, they both are.
They both are sisters.
Okay, good. Thank you very much. Okay, miss, next student.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Mona Afreen.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam. Okay. Hunna ummuhatun. So ummuhatun is plural of ummun. Ummun, mother. So please translate hunna ummuhatun.
So they all are mothers. Hunna ummahatun. They all are mothers. And hunna is mubtada and ummahatun is
Okay, next sentence.
Next sentence is huwa akhun. Ji sir. Huwa akhun. He is a brother. He is the mubtada and akhun is the khabar over here. Next. Antuma sahirani. Antuma sahirani. You both are magicians.
Yes.
Then ana aduwun. I am aduwun. What does aduwun mean, sir?
Enemy.
Enemy. Okay. Ana aduwun. I am an enemy. Ana is the mubtada and aduwun is the khabar. The next sentence, antunna banatun. Antunna means you all. There are many more than two. So you all are banat. Banat is girls, I think.
Bintun.
Am I right, sir?
Plural of bintun. What does it mean, bintun?
Bintun means a girl.
Daughter.
A daughter.
Antunna banatun.
A daughter, yes. So you all are daughters.
Okay.
The next is Nahnu Abiduna. We all are Abid. Abid is,
Worshipper.
I think,
Worshipper.
worshippers. We all are worshippers. Yeah. Next is Hum Mushrikuna. They all are mushrik, means disbelievers. They all are disbelievers. Mushrikuna.
Polytheist. Polytheist. Mushrik. Disbeliever will be
Monotheist. Okay.
Mushrik, polytheist. Okay. Thank you very much. Miss, next student.
Polytheist.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, sir.
Alaikum salam. Okay. Now what you have to do, we have Mubtada, Khalidun, Muhammadun, Sadiqani. So you have to replace Mubtada with suitable proper pronoun. As I told you, that for pronouns,
Yes,
we will use only ghaib pronouns, not hadir and mutakallim, only ghaib. So
yes,
please try to translate and change the sentence.
Khalidun wa okay. Khalidun wa Hamidun Sadiqani.
What minute? 1 minute.
Khalidun wa Hamidun as there are two numbers.
1 minute. By looking, you cannot read right.
Pardon, sir?
You are looking at the slide, and even you cannot read right.
Khalidun wa Hamidun Sadiqani.
Yes, before what you read, Sadiqani. It's a difference between Sadiq and Sadiq.
Sorry, sir. Oh, sorry. Okay, sir. Sadiqani means friends, na sir?
Yes, friend.
Okay, sir. Khalidun wa Hamidun. This is Mubtada, and we, as it is 2 number, we change it to Huma, sir.
Good. Huma.
Huma Swadiqani. They both are friends.
Yes. Next.
Maryamu wa Saminatu Tabibatani. Maryamu wa Saminatu, as it is a dual in number, we use Huma Tabibatani. It is plural, sir. So Hunna Tabibatani.
1 minute.
They all
No,
are
1 minute. It is plural.
Sorry, sir. It is dual, sir. Dual. It is dual. Tabibatani. Tani will come in dual, sir. Sorry. Okay. Confusion. Sorry. Okay. So it is Huma Tabibatani means they both are students.
Tabibatun, doctor.
Tabibatun. They both are doctors.
Okay,
yes, sir. Doctors. Zaidun Nahifun. Nahifun means weakness, sir?
Yes, weak.
Zaidun, as it is singular, masculine, so we use Huma. Huwa, sir.
Okay.
Huwa Nahifun means he is weak.
Yes. Next.
Zaidun, he is weak. Okay. Aishatu Jamilatun. Jamilatun means beautiful.
Yes.
Aishatu Jamilatun. Hiya Jamilatun. She is a beautiful.
Okay, good. She is beautiful. Thank you very much, Miss. Next student.
Jazakallah khair.
Yes, sir. Nazia Parveen.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. Okay. Now you got the idea what you have to do. So
yeah.
Start.
Yeah. Khalidun wa Hamidun wa Uthmanu Sadiquna. So this is plural. So it'll be hum صادقون.
Yes, hum sadiquna. What does it mean? Sadiqun is truthful.
Yeah.
Translate.
They all are what is صادقون? Sorry. So they all are truthful.
Okay, next.
مريم وحفصة وكوثر كاذبات. So this is all plural, feminine. So hunna كاذبات.
Okay, what does it mean? Translate. Why you are not translating by yourself?
Sorry, they all. What does kazibatun mean?
What is the singular of kazibatun?
Kazibun.
Liar.
Oh, sorry, it's feminine. So kazibatun.
Liar.
Yes. Okay. So they all are liars.
Yes. Next.
Zaydun wa Khalidun zahibani. So this is musanna. Huma zahibani. So they both. Sorry, I don't know the meaning. Zahibani.
Going. They both are going.
Okay, so they both are going.
So if you want to say, I am going, what you'll say?
If I say I'm going, I'm going to say, Ana zahibun.
Good. If you are say, I'm truthful.
I'm going to say, Ana sadiqun.
No, you are muannas. You will say sadiqatun. Ana sadiqatun. Ana dhahibatun.
Yes, sorry.
Okay?
Sadiq.
You have to consider your...
Yes, feminine, yeah.
Okay. Next sentence.
مريم وحامد وخالد حاذرون. So this is plural. So it will be hum.
Good. Hum.
Hum حاذرون. حاذرون means present?
Yes, present.
Yes. So they all are present.
Good. Excellent. Miss, next student.
Yes, sir. Alia Bashir.
Yes, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Okay.
Habibun kha'inun. Habib is
excuse me,
the one who
sister.
is a deceiver.
You have child with you?
Yes, Ustaz.
It is difficult to understand what you are saying.
Okay, I'll say again. Habibun kha'inun. Habib is a deceiver. Huwa kha'inun. He is a deceiver.
Kha'inun.
Sa'idun harisun.
Traitor.
Sa'id is a...
Not deceiver. Traitor.
Traitor, okay. Okay, traitor, okay, Ustaz.
Okay.
Habib is a traitor. Huwa kha'inun. He is a traitor. Sa'idun harisun. Sa'id is a security guard.
Yes.
Huwa harisun.
Yes.
He is a security guard. Muhammadun wa Hamidun hazinani. Muhammad and Hamid are sad.
Yes.
Huma hazinani. They are sad. Both of them are sad.
If you want to say I am sad,
Aisha wa Zainabu.
If you want to say I am sad.
Okay. Ana hazinatu.
Ana hazinatun.
Yeah, hazinatun. Yes, Ustaz.
Yes.
Ana hazinatun.
Continue.
I am sad. Next. Aisha wa Zainabu masruratani. Aisha and Zainab are happy. Both of them are happy. Huma masruratani. Both of them, female, are happy. Hudhaifatu muhandisun. Hudhaifa is an engineer. Huwa muhandisun. He is an engineer. Zainabu mudiratun. Zainab is an officer. Hiya mudiratun. She is an
Yes.
officer. Ibrahim wa Salihun wa Ismailu muhandisuna. Ibrahim and Salih and Ismail are engineers. Hum muhandisuna. They all are engineers.
Good.
Khalidun waqifun. Khalid is standing. Huwa waqifun. He is standing. Tariqun ustadun. Tariq is a teacher. Huwa ustadun. He is a teacher. Usamatu wa Zaidun nashitani. Huma nashitani. Usama and Zaid are active. Yes, yes, active. Huma nashitani. They are active. They both are active.
Yes.
Zainabu wa Fatimatu naimatani. Huma naimatani. They both of them are sleeping.
Yes.
Zainab and Fatima are sleeping.
Very good. Very good. So, as you all students are observing that our sister is having a child in her and she is studying, mashallah. That's very good. May Allah bless you a lot. Okay, Miss, next student. Now we'll start Madinah Arabic book. So we have today second lecture. Ad-Darsu Sani, lesson number 2, Ad-Darsu Sani. So we are going to use today Dhalika. So sister, what does it mean? Dhalika. Dhalika used for which gender and what number?
Muzakkar and singular.
Singular, wahid. Okay, good. So it is for near or far?
Near, qarib.
It is for far, not near.
Sorry. Yeah.
So please start, translate.
Ma zalika, what is that?
Okay.
Zalika najmun, that is a star.
Okay, good. 1 minute. So if you are seeing what I done?
Yeah.
What is my question now?
I don't know.
What I written?
What is that? Ma zalika.
Excuse me, sister.
Ma.
What I written?
Zanika. Ma zanika. Sorry. Ma zanika.
What does it mean?
What are those two?
Yes, what are those two? So what will be the answer?
Zanika najumani.
Yes, good. Dhanika Najmani. Thank you very much. Okay, Miss, next student.
Yes, sir. Surya Hussain.
Assalamu alaikum.
Okay, now if I am making another star, okay, now these are 3 stars. So my question will be Ma Tilka. Okay, why I'm using Tilka? Because Jam'u ghayru aqilin. Jam'u ghayru aqilin. Okay, what will be your answer? The plural of Najmun is Nujumun.
Yes, Tilka Nujumun.
Yes, Tilka
Nujumun.
Very good.
Because
Tilka
it's a plural. yeah, it's hierarchical, so you have to use the feminine tilka.
Good.
Feminine.
Okay. Next, okay, translate. Next sentence.
Hada masjidun wazalika baitun. This is a masjid and that is a house.
Good. That is house. Now change it to musanna.
Hadihi masjid. Hadihi masjid. That is
musanna.
Masjidun is a musanna. Sorry. Hadani masjidani.
Yes.
Wazalika baitani.
Good. Okay. If I want to change it to plural, so jam'u of plural masajidu. So which ishara I will use?
Yeah. Because the feminine hadihi, because it's plural.
Yes.
It's a thing. It's hierarchy.
Right. Good. Hadihi masajidu and
yeah. Tilka buyutun.
Good. Okay. Next sentence.
Hada isanun wadhalika himarun. This is a horse and that is a donkey.
Okay. Good. Now make musanna.
Dani hisanani wadhanika himarani.
Yes, himarani. Okay, good. So plural is husunun and humurun.
Yes. And okay.
So which demonstrative noun I will use?
Hadihi husnun batanika. Sorry, husnun. Tilka humurun.
Yes, tilka humurun.
Hadihi husnun tilka humurun.
Good. Thank you very much. Okay, Miss. Next student.
Sayyida Noor Hajira.
Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah.
Salam. Okay. Please read and translate.
Azalika kalbun. Is that a dog?
Okay.
La, no. Zalika qittun. That is a cat.
Good. Okay. Continue.
Yes, sir. Ma. It is hill. Ma. Zalika. What is that? Zalika. Sarirun. That is a bed.
Okay. Now read and translate.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir. I can see now. Man haza wa man zalika. So both man are used for aqil. So man who is this? And wa means and wa man zalika, and who is that?
Good.
Answer. Haza mudarrisun wa zalika imamun. Haza, this is a teacher, masculine. It is mudarrisun, so it is a masculine. This is a teacher, wa, and zalika, that is an imam.
Good.
Imam is also masculine.
Good. So
yes, sir.
When you are observing that in this picture we have four things actually. What? First, a teacher. Second, imam. And third, this blackboard and masjid. So actually, the writer of book wanted to let us know which thing he is focusing. If he was focusing towards the non-living things, so he would have used ma here. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
actually he is trying to explain us that he is focusing on what? Akilun. Akilun. That's why
Yes.
man
Yes.
is used. So that
Yeah.
in this book, it's very nice that how he elaborated. He put 4 things, 2 are
Yeah.
2 are akil and 2 are ghair akil. So he wanted to let us learn
Yes.
why man is used. Okay, very good. So okay, if, for example, in the same sentence, if I'll change,
Yes.
okay, what I'll change, I put a few more teachers here. Here are 3 teachers. My question will be man haulai, and we put 4 more imams. So waman ulaika,
Yes.
ulaika.
Yeah.
So
Woman.
man haulai, who are they and who are those? So how will answer here?
Yes. Yes, sir. I'll try, sir.
Yeah.
Haulai mudarrisuna.
Good. And imamun, the plural of imamun is a'immatun.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Wa ulaika a'immatuna. Also, or
A'immatun.
I cannot do that. Imamun. A'immatun.
Good. Done. Thank you very much. Okay, Miss. Next student.
Yes, sir. Farzana Rahman.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, continue.
Zalika, what is that?
Yes, it's not coming, sir.
Sister, continue. Okay, change student, Miss.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Really teaching on Zoom, it needs special kind of patience. So you should appreciate my patience. Okay, please translate.
Ma dhalika, what is that? Dhalika hajarun, that is a stone.
Okay, next.
Hadha sukkarun wa dhalika labanun. This is sugar and that is milk.
Good. Okay. Now, tamreenun. Tamreenun, it means exercise. So, plural of tamreenun is tamareenu, exercises. So, please read and write. Don't write, just read and translate. So, we'll change read and translate.
Okay, sir. Shall I read?
Yeah, please. Should I send you some written requests?
Hadha sukkarun wa dhalika labanun. This is sugar and that is milk. Man dhalika, who is that? Dhalika imamun, that is imam.
Good. Okay. Next sentence.
Adhalika qittun, is that a cat? La dhalika kalbun, no, that is a dog. Ma hadha, what is that? Hadha hajarun, that
Not
is
that.
Hajarun.
It's Haza.
Excuse me, sister.
Sir, it's Haza and she's
Sister,
saying
translate
that.
again.
Ma hadha, What is that?
No, haza, this, not that.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. What is this? Hada hajarun. This is a rock,
Good.
stone.
Okay. Tell me why ma is used. Why man did not use.
Rock is غير عاقل, sir.
Good. Thank you very much.
So we use man only for عاقل.
Yes, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So for Madinah Arabic, we completed the second lecture today, second topic. Inshallah, in the next we'll continue our third chapter of Madinah Arabic book. And Alhamdulillah, it is the book is now correlating with our lectures. So Inshallah, what is our next topic? The same will be in Madinah Arabic book. So we will have very good exercise there, very good learning, inshallah, bismillah. So please always do work hard as me and my co-teachers are working very hard.